you're right, I'm wrong. It's, you know, old man mind catching up with me. I did actually order a 3.8, so what they delivered was accurate. G'day! I bought myself a telescopic ladder. Now I'm going to do an unboxing and try and do a review on it. Now I've got a couple of step ladders that I use just for doing low hanging stuff, so to speak, but I want to get up on the roof. So I thought, rather than getting one of these extension ladders, you know, the ones where it's like an A-frame and it's got that clicker thing right on the where it joins up at the top of the A-frame, and you open that up and then you have to extend the whole ladder out to make it straight, and then you got to try and flip it up onto the roof. I thought I'd try one of these things. It's a newfangled one. I've got it straight out of Amazon, about 160 bucks. So this is going to be as new to me as it is to you. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. It's a big box. It's a big box. Look at the size of the box. And inside that box, they got this thing. Well, okay.
And they still make a profit.
Hey, I don't know how they do that. That's what's inside this box. Okay. Fair enough.
No, it's not. It's disgusting.
Yeah. Okay, this says 3.8 meters. I could have sworn, I'm going to go back online and have a look. I could have sworn I got a 5 meter one. This says 3.8 meters. Lucky with Amazon you can return them. So we'll see what the go is. Okay, straight out of the box. Okay. It's got a bit of weight to it. I suppose it needs to, but somehow I was expecting it to be lighter, simply because it's aluminium. But that does have a little bit of weight to it. Still, it's a whole lot easier carrying this like this than it is one of those bigger ladders. That's it. So that's not bad. Okay. Aha, Velcro. There you go. Look at that. And an incredibly basic instruction manual. Oh, okay. Huh, okay. That seems easy. God, that's smooth. Oh, I like this.
How hard is it to get back down again?
Well, that's what I'm about to figure out. Ah, there you go. That's how you do it. You push these two little levers in. Don't get your fingers stuck in there. Oh, okay. I quite like that. Okay. Well, let's find out how good this thing is. Now, just to show you, it's also got these rubber feet on here. I think that's going to work great. No slipping. Okay, let's check it out.
Watch the begonia.
I'm trying to lift it up here, but as you lift it, it's taking all of it with it, so you've got to lift it from the bottom by the look of it. Okay. This is so easy. No mess, no fuss. Wow. Okay. It's a lot simpler than I thought. To give you guys a bit of a tip, if you're ever going to climb up on the roof, make sure you're well above the roof, so you've got something to hang on to when you're coming back down again. In other words, not up to the gutter, but way above the gutter, so you've got like a handrail to grab onto as you swing around to come back off the roof. That's pretty damn good. Okay. Okay, it's got a little bit of sway, but nothing that would give me worry. This is rated at 150 kgs. I'm only, what, between 85 and 90, so I've got no worries there. Oh my God, I think this will do the job excellently. Now, I just noticed that as I was climbing down, these rungs seem to be spaced apart more than a standard ladder. So you want to keep that in mind as you're stepping up and down, because you're actually climbing higher rungs. They're spaced apart more than usual. But it's certainly steady. No doubt about that.
Any frisbees?
And our gutter guard seems to be working very well. I looked at it and I thought, my God, that's full of rubbish. It's not, it's the actual gutter guard. It's great. Well, wow, these steps are a lot further apart than usual ladders. That's not bad, guys. It's not something that I want to do often, but when I want to get up there, I want to be able to do it quickly, easily and efficiently, and so far I'm very impressed. Okay, in that quick break, I quickly jumped on the computer and checked out whether I ordered the 5 metre that I sort of thought I ordered, or whether it was a 3.8 that they actually delivered. They're right, I'm wrong. It's, you know, old man mind catching up with me. I did actually order a 3.8, so what they delivered was accurate. I gotta tell you.
And also sufficient.
Oh yeah, I mean, that's only 2.4, I just wanted to make sure I got plenty. But yeah, that looks good. I'm going to climb up there and I'm going to check out what the GO is.
You climb up and I'll pass you the camera.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, that looks a bit straighter.
Woo! We're up on the roof here. That's one of the things that I came up to check that I spotted from underneath. One of the tiles here seems to have... Now, I'm going to chuck some of this down. Yeah, one of the tiles seemed to have moved. That could have caused a bit of problems down the line. Oh, hello. an awful lot of bird poop on our solar panels. We have to clean that off. Hey, they're all sitting up here on the tele antenna. They're sitting up there and pooing on my solar panels. Everything else seems to be pretty fine. Okay. Now we're going to climb back down. Well, that was exciting. Purely for safety reasons, I would always suggest that you got someone on the ground, in this case my trusty camera person, to hang on to it, just as a spotter in case you knock it over and you're stuck on the roof, or any number of reasons. But in any case, you should always have someone on the deck hanging on to it or something, just purely for safety. Anyway, I checked out the ladder. I'm actually happily surprised. For 160 bucks, I don't think it's too bad, but I can't get over how easy it is to get it up and sorted. That's very quick and no effort required whatsoever. Okay, let's get some of this down. Don't stick your fingers on here when you hit these latches. That's very good. And you pack the whole thing up with the Velcro, job's done. It's even got this handle here that's permanently fixed to it. You just pick it up and walk away. It weighs maybe, I don't know, 10-12 kilos. It probably says so on the box, but I mean I can feel this. Maybe 10-12 kilos, that's a lot. That's pretty good. I think I'll be getting some use out of this. That's me. That's a ladder. I hope you found it interesting. I did. It's the first time I've ever used one of these. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. See ya.